Macro VIC W1 Tab2. Here we will show in more detail the Macro VIC initial configuration window. This is the first window that Macro VIC offers, and we do a quick scan by which are the specifications that can be found in this window. In the Tab 2, you activate additional features, Tab 2, as we are doing here. For example, you can activate the option to make holes, to use the material editing window, or activate the second member option. Every time you want to make a seat connection between a beam and a column, you must have set this option from the beginning. You can also store the information about the operations you do, so, at the end of the main cycle of additions, you may recover the data stored for those materials to carry out operations on them, such as welding them together, or with the beam, and making them holes, or making cuts. There is also an option that allows you to manage the assemblies. This last option is called Save to Recover, and it is a way to make the assemblies a little more dynamic than the ones we are familiar with. To be able to do the subsequent operations, we must always set first subsequent operations box, named post operations, and we can do now several things, and in the near future some that are not yet fully implemented by now, such as the miscellaneous members, and the new spacing routines. This was, then, the first configuration window, whose first tab allows configuring left member end as the reference point that is going to be used to locate all of the materials that you possibly want to add to a member. In the same tab you will select special spacing routines to use with holes and assemblies, but those features are yet in the design desk.